Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn a very special letter. You see, this is W, capital W and small w. And today we are going to write over here how to write letter W, the capital W and small w. And we are going to learn some words which are starting from letter W. Yes, and we will do the coloring in the pictures also. Yes, so before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is black color. This is brown color. This is red color. This is sky blue color. This is pink color. This is green color. And this is gray color. So let's start the writing. So start from here. Just go down, down, make a one slanting line. Down. Now go up, 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 make a slanting line and go back again. And go up again. You see, this is very easy letter W. Now capital W and now small w. Small w is same like capital. Make a one slanting line, another slanting line, go up, up, comes back again and go back up. You see, very easy letter W, capital W, small w, and the sound is wa, wa, wa. Very good. See, here is a door. Just go down, down, down. Make a one slanting line. Go up again. Now comes down, down, down. Now again up. You see, very easy letter W, capital W. Now write small w. Just go down, 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 go up. The small w comes in two lines. Now go up. You see, very easy letter. Let's write it again. Go down, make a slanting line, go up, go back again. Now go up. Very easy letter, small w. Very easy. Capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. Now we are going to write the words which are starting from letter W. Very good. Can you guess this picture? Which picture is this? Yes, this is watermelon. In watermelon we are going to use red color. Read with me. W A T E R, water. M E L O N, watermelon. W A T E R, water. M E L O N, melon, watermelon. Yes, see the next picture. Yes, this is web. Read with me. W E B, web. W-E-B, web. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is well. This is well. In well, we are using gray color. Read with me. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. Very nice. See the next picture. Yes, this is world. This is world. In world, we are using sky blue color. Read with me. W-O-R-L-D, world. W-O-R-L-D, world. Very good. See the next picture. Yes, this is watch. In watch, we are using pink color. Read with me. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Very good. So we have done all these words which are starting from letter W. Very good. And we will do the coloring also. See, this is capital W and this is small w, and the sound is w, w, w. W is for watermelon. W is for web. W is for well. W is for world. W is for wash. Very good. Let's repeat it again. W A T E R, water. M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Very good. W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. Very nice. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. Very nice. W-O-R-L-D, world. W-O-R-L-D, world. Very nice. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Very nice. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye-bye.